Hello everyone, welcome back to decor channel. Today I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to crochet a puff stitch. This is a basic puff stitch and you can use any yarn and any hook you prefer. Today I'm using the Debbie Bless Doozy from Lovecraft and a 6mm crochet hook. Let's get started. Okay, for today's tutorial, I'm not gonna show you how to do the whole swatch of the puff stitch. I just gonna show you how to do the actual puff stitch. Okay, so I have a couple rows of double crochet here and then a few stitches of double crochet here. So to begin a puff stitch, you're gonna yarn over hook, insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. We're gonna do that total of 3 times into the same stitch. And some people like to do that 5 times, depend on how big or how small you want your puff stitch to be. I'm gonna show you 3 times first, then I'm going to show you how to do that 5 times, okay? So this is my first time. Okay, I yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. This is my second time. Yarn over hook, insert hook into the same stitch. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. This is my third time and I have 7 loops on my hook. Then I'm gonna yarn over hook, pull through all the loops on the hook. Then chain 1. And now the puff stitch is complete. So all that counts as one puff stitch. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more time. So I just gonna skip the next stitch and then yarn over hook, insert the hook into the next stitch here. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. We're gonna do that 3 times. This is the first time. Yarn over hook, insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. This is the second time. Yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. I have 7 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Then chain 1 to complete the puff stitch. And here's what it looks like. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the bigger puff stitch. We yarn over hook. I'm just gonna go ahead, skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the next, and then yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Okay, we're gonna do that 5 times. This is the first time. Yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. This is second time. Yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. This is the third time. Yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. This is the fourth time. Yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. This is the 5th time. And I have 11 loops on my hook. Then I'm going to yarn over hook and pull through all the loops on the hook. This part could be a little difficult at first, so here's what I like to do. So I yarn over hook, right, and then I turn the tip of my hook down a little bit so that easier to pull through all the loops on the hook. So pull through all the loops on the hook, then chain 1 to complete the puff stitch. So see, this is bigger puff stitch. Okay, this depends on how you like it. I would love to know what you're gonna use this puff stitch for. Please comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.